there. It's kind of a dark and rainy day here today, but we're having a little dinner party tonight. And we're going to have some potato salad, some Italian bread, and I'm going to make some poached salmon. And we're going to have oven poached salmon, a recipe from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. This is on page 124. It is really easy to do, very quick, and I'm going to serve the salmon with some chopped parsley. So first of all, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 350 degrees. Okay, you can see that I have the 3 pieces of salmon already in the pan, and behind it I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and that's going to be served with it when it's done. But over here I have the poaching ingredients, which I'm going to assemble now. So what I have here is a cup of dry wine, a tablespoon of mustard seed, 2 bay leaves, and behind here I have freshly ground pepper and salt. I'll probably be adding about a half a teaspoon of salt to my taste. So I'm going to put the wine and the mustard seed and the bay leaves in the bowl, and then I'm going to add about a cup of water because I just want to cover those salmon pieces. Then I'll add some ground pepper and salt to taste. I think about a half a teaspoon for me. And that's the poaching. I'm just going to add enough liquid, making sure I get my mustard seed in there, to just about cover these steaks, and I just have right enough. Okay, so the pan with the salmon and the poaching liquid is all going in, uncovered, into the toaster oven for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I will take a spoon and just I'll test the salmon by touching it with a spoon, and if the salmon is springy, I know it's pretty easy to do. It's been 20 minutes, and I'm just going to pull this out a little bit, test the pieces of salmon with a spoon, and yes, they are springy. And so I think my salmon is done. So here's the poached salmon, and it looks absolutely beautiful. All of the flavors from the poaching liquid are now enhancing the flavor of the fish, which will be really delicious. And because I'm serving this hot and everybody's waiting, I'm just sprinkling these pieces with parsley. If you want to serve this cold, it's just as delicious. And there's a really good cucumber sauce recipe on the adjoining page, page 25. And just before serving, I've sprinkled these with parsley, and I'm going to add some lemon wedges. Like this, to add color and introduce another option for flavor.